Let's turn now to business with Nona Peltier, who's joined me here in the studio. Nona, regional confidence. So what, the car's in reverse here?
It really is. It's backed all the way up. Yes, indeed. So in the December quarter, the regional confidence was, up across every region of the country, and now it's down in 8 of the 11 regions that are looked at by the Westpac survey. So what does that mean? It's disturbing, but I'll tell you what, the survey was taken just after the tax working group's proposals on capital gains, etc. And that's when the survey was taken, and it's really taken a dive, and most especially in Auckland. It was very pessimistic indeed. And some of the other falls were in Nelson, Marlborough, West Coast, and Canterbury. Yeah, pretty severe. And, well, I guess what you'd expect, people are concerned about their properties, and in Auckland, the housing market here with the investors and so on, it's a big deal.
So talking of the tax working group, investors seem to be taking action ahead of the government making its final decision on what exactly is going to happen.
Yes, so so this is just recent, right? So recently in Canterbury, and one of the companies that look after investments, which is Hamilton Hinden Green, one of their investment advisors, Jeremy Sullivan, he wrote a piece about what's actually happening, and he said that a good number of his clients own properties. They're selling up large, like ahead of the time, so that's what's happening in the market there. A lot of sales, and of course,
in anticipation of a capital gains tax on rental properties or second houses.
Exactly, and they're selling up, and they're putting their money into the share market because the expectation is that it won't be as severe, and maybe those the capital gains tax won't apply to shares. That's the feeling, but that even if it does, it would still be a better deal than having a capital gains on your property. So interesting times, definitely. Yes, indeed. Yes, indeed.
Markets?
Well, good news on the market, I'd have to say. Our market is at another high. We went up nearly 1%. That's 90 points to 9,551. Now that compares with the ASX across the Tasman there. They were up about 0.5%. So we're really strong. And that's in line with what we're seeing in Asia. Asia is really upbeat. 6.5-month highs there too. With this the tech stocks really boosted in the US overnight. And that's made people feel quite positive despite the economic news over the United States. So again, lots of volatility, but our dollar is steady. It's high, I have to say. 68.9 US cents, 96.9 Australian, 52.4 pence. Watch this space with the Brexit and how it affects the pound.
We need to get a little buzzer for you instead of watch Brexit and watch Donald Trump. Maybe you could just hit the buzzer.
Yes, watch this space.
Thanks, Nona. That's Nona with your Friday business wrap.